Well, I went and bought a parts van this morning. Got a good deal. I'm going to be stripping it out for another van I'm going to be looking for. So I'm going to let you look at it. It's a 94. Runs good, 350. Full rust. Frame is rusted up. The body's rusted up. Got a couple good doors on it. It's hard to see in here, but used to have a bed in the back. The guy went cross country a few times, but frame is done now. Well, the body, the front part where the engine mounts to is done. Give me a second, I'll hook the battery back up. Unless you hear it. The key ignition switch is all messed up too, but for the price I paid for it, I'm not gonna cry. It's worth more than what I paid for it in parts. All the lights work. It's a hell of a good parts van. Just the key doesn't work, so now I have to unload the battery and put it in gear.